Right now in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use PU Prime copy trading app feature. What I'm going to be doing is showing you a screen recording of an account that I've deposited $500 into to show you exactly how easy this copy trading is with PU Prime. Now, before we jump into this video, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right now, once you've logged into the app, you're going to be seeing this screen. You can see up here, copy trading, $500 US. All you want to do is click on that. And then once you're in, you'll be met with this screen. You do have a deposit bonus, but stay tuned for some of our other videos where we will be showing you exactly how you can get that deposit bonus. Okay, so what we can see straight off the bat is equity is $500 US. And then as you scroll down, you can see the most copied people. Okay, so we've got Wave Investment over 25.51% over 3 months. And then Vellrix, Alpha Flow, Sonic Whale. Now, highest annual return, we can see some absolute massive gains. Okay, so in the last 3 months, this PU Prime 698, if we were to click on that, they have 34 copiers. The risk is number 6. What that means is the risk represents the validity of the strategy. The bigger value, the more significant risk. Okay, so we can see that 1,551.76% return. Right now, like I said, all you want to do is click on that copy button and that will be activated to your account, or simply click on the heart to the left of copy, and then what that does is it takes it into your favorites. Okay, so we've got a watch list at the bottom. You've also got crypto. Now, what you can see as well is that crypto is open where the others are closed at the moment. This is because I'm recording it on a weekend. So therefore, the market is closed, whereas crypto is 24/7. Now, if you were to go to orders, this would be where your positions would be. So, for example, with the copy trading that you're currently activated to, obviously we've decided to use PU Prime 698 with a risk of 6. As soon as they start taking trades, this is where it will be. It will be in the positions and also history, and then you'll see your profit share and then also pending review for any of those. You do have the manual trading option at the top as well, so you can simply click on new order and then you can go in there and either click sell, buy, depending on what you want to do in the market. But there we have it, guys. That was PU Prime, how to use their copy trading facility on their PU Prime app. Now, let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer every single one of them. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.